Crash course on Louisiana State, USA. Louisiana, located in the southern region of the United States, is a state known for its vibrant culture, diverse population, and rich history. Let's dive into a crash course on Louisiana, covering its geography, capital, population, economy, education, history, cultures, and politics. We'll also explore some interesting stories and examples. Following that, we'll list and describe the top 12 attractions in Louisiana. Lastly, I'll provide a summary of the information, followed by a poem and song about Louisiana. Geographically, Louisiana is situated in the southeastern part of the United States, bordered by the Mississippi River to the east, the Gulf of Mexico to the south, Texas to the west, and Arkansas and Mississippi to the north. Its capital city is Baton Rouge, while its largest city is New Orleans. The state has a population of approximately 4.7 million people. In terms of economy, Louisiana boasts a diverse range of industries. It has a significant presence in sectors such as oil and gas production, petrochemical manufacturing, agriculture, particularly seafood and rice, and tourism. The state is home to several major ports, including the Port of New Orleans, which contributes to its thriving international trade. Education in Louisiana is overseen by the Louisiana Department of Education. The state has a number of reputable universities and colleges, including Louisiana State University, Tulane University, and the University of Louisiana at Lafayette. The history of Louisiana is fascinating and diverse. Originally inhabited by Native American tribes, the region was explored by Europeans in the 16th century. It was subsequently colonized by the French, then later transferred to Spanish control, and finally sold to the United States in the early 19th century as part of the Louisiana Purchase. This unique blend of European and African influences has shaped the state's cultural heritage. Louisiana is renowned for its vibrant and diverse cultures. It is often referred to as the cultural crossroads of America, due to its amalgamation of French, Spanish, African, Native American, and Caribbean influences. The state is famous for its lively music scene, particularly jazz and zydeco. Additionally, Louisiana is known for its delectable cuisine, which includes dishes like gumbo, jambalaya, crawfish étouffée, and beignets. When it comes to politics, Louisiana has a diverse political landscape. The state is known for its strong party affiliations and has historically been a battleground for Democrats and Republicans. Louisiana has produced several influential political figures, including Huey Long, a former governor and senator known for his populist policies. Now, let's explore the top 12 attractions in Louisiana. 1. French Quarter, located in the heart of New Orleans. The French Quarter is a vibrant neighborhood known for its lively music, historic architecture, and vibrant nightlife. 2. Mardi Gras. This famous carnival is celebrated annually in New Orleans and is known for its colorful parades, elaborate costumes, and festive atmosphere. 3. Plantation Tours. Take a step back in time and explore the grand antebellum plantations that dot the Louisiana countryside, offering a glimpse into the state's rich history. 4. Swamp Tours. Louisiana's vast swamplands are home to a diverse range of flora and fauna. Embark on a swamp tour to witness alligators, unique bird species, and breathtaking natural beauty. 5. Tabasco Factory. Visit the Avery Island, the birthplace of Tabasco sauce, and explore the factory to learn about the history and production process of this famous condiment. 6. National World War II Museum. Located in New Orleans, this museum offers an immersive experience, showcasing the history and impact of World War II on the United States and the world. 7. Atchafalaya Basin, the largest swamp in the United States. The Atchafalaya Basin is a haven for nature enthusiasts, offering opportunities for fishing, boating, and wildlife observation. 8. Avery Island. Explore the scenic Avery Island, known for its natural beauty, including lush gardens, salt domes, and the beautiful jungle gardens with its exotic flora and fauna. 9. St. Louis Cathedral. Situated in the French Quarter of New Orleans, St. Louis Cathedral is an iconic landmark and the oldest continuously active Roman Catholic cathedral in the United States. 10. Oak Alley Plantation. This picturesque plantation is famous for its stunning alley of oak trees, providing a captivating backdrop for a glimpse into the plantation era. 11. Cajun country. Immerse yourself in the unique Cajun culture of Louisiana's rural parishes. Explore small towns, enjoy live music, and indulge in delicious Cajun cuisine. 12. Shreveport-Bossier City. Visit the Twin Cities of Shreveport and Bossier City, known for their lively riverfront casinos, cultural festivals, and the Louisiana Boardwalk, a shopping and entertainment district. In summary, Louisiana is a state with a rich history, diverse cultures, and a unique blend of influences. Its geography, capital, population, economy, education, and politics all contribute to the state's vibrant character. The top attractions showcase the essence of Louisiana, from the lively streets of New Orleans to the natural wonders of the swamps and plantations. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.